We're going to take this store from what it's doing right now to double that. And it's the little things that you need to do, such as these follow-ups, to do the right thing for the customer, to convert more sales. And you see the 2 follow-ups we just did right there are going to really help increase the sales. We hope this helps you guys. Follow us more. Techy University.
Hi, I have 4 laptops being resetted.
4.
Factory resetted, and I wanted to confirm if they're ready.
I will have to ask my computer technician to see if they are. I'll give you a call back shortly. How does that sound?
Sure.
Yeah, so this was Edley, correct?
Edward? Yeah.
Yeah, so I'll give you a call back shortly and give you an update on that, on the status of that.
So I'm looking to see if we called her back because I can see that through the system.
You're very welcome.
It doesn't look like it, so I'm gonna see what's going on with this one. Hey, those 4 computers that we're trying to get, the statuses we're getting updated.
The 4 computers, they're being worked on right now. I think they're already ready.
So they're already. Who has them? There you go. Hey, the 4 computers that are getting updated, are they ready to go? Oh, you're doing them right now?
3 of them.
Okay.
But you know about them?
I don't know. The customer just called for a status.
Yeah, it's ready.
Okay. Anything?
3 ready, and I will start the other one. It will be ready between 30 minutes.
Anything else that you had to do to them? I mean, any way we can try to like upsell them a little bit, or?
No. Just I need to finish them and give it to them.
Okay. All right. Sounds good. So we'll just call them and let them know. So it'll be ready by what? The end of the day. The end of the day today.
No, before.
Okay.
I have to go.
Okay. Okay. So I'm just gonna call them. You know, it's important that you call them and you're ahead of the game. So I'm gonna call them and let them know that hey, it'll be ready by the end of the day today. Even though he told me like 3 o'clock, I don't want to I don't want to rush it, right? But while I'm on the conversation with her, I want to say, hey, is there anything else we can do for you? So try to like generate some more revenue. But being ahead of the game is a big part of making more sales. You want them to be happy that you're on top of these things.
Hello.
Hey, this is Tim from Techy. How you doing today?
Doing good.
Hey, you dropped off 4 computers here to get updated, and just want to give you a status of them that they will be ready within let's call it within the next 2 hours to be picked up. Are you looking to get these picked up today?
Yes.
Awesome. Is there anything else that you needed for these computers? Maybe virus removal or anything like that?
We're doing like a virus removal. Would be like a virus removal. Those laptops.
What's that?
Yeah. Yeah, get rid of everything. So, it's a factory reset different from virus removal?
No, so the factory reset is just it deletes everything off the computer, and then what you do is you add on like a virus protection, so that it makes sure that no viruses in the future get on those computers.
Okay. Should they add virus protection, or can we just do that ourselves? Yeah, we'll just do that ourselves.
Okay.
Virus protection.
All right, so be ready about 2 hours. Anything else we can do for you?
That's all.
All right, it was a pleasure speaking with you. My name's Tim. When you come in, ask for me. I'll be taking care of you, okay?
Okay, no problem.
See you later. Bye. All right, so look, you try. You're not going to win on every customer, but now they know that we offer that virus. So now they have 4 computers. They're a business account. If they get a virus, who are they going to come to? Boom, us, because they see that we offer that. So there's other things we could have added to it as well. Maybe our Techy Save plan, but we'll do that when they get in here. We don't want to overload them with too much information. So that's a little bit about the update of the status. So let's try another one.
It's a great day. Thank you. This is Jonathan speaking. How can I do service?
Yes, I was calling to find out how much you guys charge to fix phones.
Fix phones. You don't know what phone
What
is.
was that, my man?
When you're listening, you got to listen to this.
RAV4.
He's
Sorry?
I said it's a RAV4.
a RAV4.
RAV4.
Yeah.
You trying to bring your car in to get fixed, my man?
My phone.
It's a RAV4. Don't insult him.
I thought you were talking about the Toyota RAV4. My man.
No.
Yeah. Bring it by. I'll go ahead and get it fixed for you. Are you close by the Fort Lauderdale location?
Yeah, I'm off for 84. How much do you guys charge?
We charge. It really does depend on the damage to the phone. I have to see the phone beforehand. I'll do a free diagnostic for you, and then that way we can go ahead and give you an accurate quote. You go from there. You decide yes or no.
Let's go.
I need a straight answer, man. How much do you guys charge?
Okay.
I can give you a roundabout price. I don't know off the top of my head. It's gonna be.
Yeah, give me a good. Correct.
It's gonna be between, I'd say, 85 to 150, depending on which phone you get.
Good.
I just have to see it.
All right. Thank you. I'll see you soon.
All right, for sure.
All right.
Hey, did the RAV4 come in?
The RAV4?
Yeah, the phone? Yeah, did he come in?
No, he hasn't come in.
Okay.
I'm going back.
Perfect time to follow up.
Is that really a device? What is the phone? A RAV?
I thought he was talking about a car.
Yeah.
He probably doesn't know.
Yeah, that's
You know
why.
what I'm saying? But you did a good job on the call. The only thing I would say is, hey, what time can I expect you?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Set that appointment up. So I'm going to call him now, see what's going on.
Hello.
Jordan, what's going on? This is Tim from Techy. I know we had an appointment set up that you were going to come in and get your phone fixed.
Tim, I swear to God, thank you for calling me back, bro. You
Absolutely.
just don't understand how much I'm dealing with, man. I'm trying to get my 64 Impala taken care of, and the shop that I took it to, they did some extra damage to my vehicle. So I've got to file a police report. As soon as I get done with this, I've got to come see you because I can't even answer my other phone, my business phone.
Yeah, for sure. You got to definitely come see me. Okay, you want me to text you the address?
Yes, if you don't mind, that'd be highly appreciated.
And what time can I expect you after that?
Man, I don't know how long this takes. I mean, I'm guessing maybe 30 minutes to an hour before I get done with this because I got to file a police report for my insurance and everything like that. So once I file this, I'll be heading that way. And plus, a wrecker is coming to get my car and take it to my place.
All right, sounds great. Well, hey, good luck with all that, and then I'll see you in about an hour, okay?
All right, champion.
You got it. My pleasure. All right, so look, we're going to text him now, the address.
Yeah.
We're going to lock this thing up, but I love the fact that he said, thank you for calling me, because life gets busy, and sometimes you forget that you have things that you were scheduled for.
20.
Boom.
20.
And look,
02800. Correct?
Tim for Techy, see you in an hour. What's going to happen in an hour? Follow up. I'm going to update the status, and we're going to follow up with that customer in an hour.